Alright, good morning guys. So I am heading back to SLO today. We just had our spring break, so we're entering our spring quarter. I'm driving my friends Susanna and Grace. I'm wearing these shorts from Urban Outfitters. They're Levi's. This shirt is also from Urban. But yeah, we're heading out right now. It's 7:45 in the morning. We're hoping to get there in like 4 hours. Hopefully we're gonna do a drive with me for you guys today, go grocery shopping, and just have some fun. So you guys get to be taken along for the ride. Subscribe if you're new, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started.
Woo! SLO! Yeah! Okay, Suz was just telling me something that's concerning slightly. I got some money in my bank account because some guy DM'd me asking what my Venmo was. He's like, I will send you $60 to send me 3 pictures of your feet. I'm a broke college student. That is so completely worth it. And so now I'm 60 bucks richer.
My mom wants to be in the vlog, I guess.
Wanted to do a drive with me, so get ready. Right now we're listening to some bangers, Miley Cyrus, Love Money Party. Did anyone go to the Bangers tour? Because I had tickets to it and I gave them to my friend. Biggest regret of my life. One concert I've ever been to is One Direction. I went to Justin Bieber 5 times.
My mom went to Justin Bieber without me.
That is tragic. Okay, so you're gonna.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I please get a passion fruit tea lemonade?
What size?
Grande. And then can I also have light ice in that, please?
Passion tea lemonade, light ice. And
Can I also have an old-fashioned donut, please?
And then could I have a grande matcha green tea frappuccino? And then could I have a cinnamon raisin bagel with cream cheese?
cinnamon.
I have a grande black iced tea with lemonade, but with light ice.
Okay.
That's it.
Alright, so just got this drink, and thank you, and then this donut.
You will write a symphony. For you I'd be. I need somebody. Oh yes!
Okay, now ladies, yeah, put up your hand, your top knot.
There's a stranger in my bed. Hands in the air like we don't care. Cause we gonna go all night till we see the sunlight. All night. So la-di-di-da-di, we like to party. Dancing with my legs. If I can explain this, I don't know the words. The way you told me you want me. I'll have you begging on your knees for me. Gotta let go. I wanna celebrate and live my life. Saying, ew, I'm gonna be the last one standing. I'm gonna put my hands in the air. Oh, hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. I'm so sorry. You guys probably think I'm crazy. This is Grace. I can't say my last name, but I am so excited I'm back on this channel. We are going to SLO, as you guys know. We all go to college together. These 2 gals. We've been besties since high school, so yes. Okay, see. Oh, I can't move.
What happened? I really want to watch this.
I'm seat locked.
You really are?
Yes, I can't move. Pause this.
Alright, we just got to SLO and we're stopping at Trader Joe's to get some groceries. So excited. Alrighty, Trader Joe's time. Alright, we just got back to SLO. We're in our dorm again. I am wearing a shirt, just by the way. The ride up here took like 6 hours, which was kind of tragic, but that's okay. It was a good road trip. I hope you guys like this video and like seeing my friends in it too. Give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel. Follow my Instagram right here. I don't know. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, I forgot to tell you, This is my roommate page. If you have any video ideas, let me know, because I'm actually planning on getting videos up every week. We will see if that happens once the quarter starts, but as of now, I'm planning on that. I already have like 2 other videos done.
Yeah, ready.
Alrighty, see you guys later.